Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I would like to mention one thing that yes, I go in detail and I try to explain all the things because the main motto and main agenda of this channel is to educate you, to make you a better trader so that you can understand where you should buy and where you should sell. Therefore, my videos may seem a little bit boring, but the main agenda is not bad. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the present chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and as we all know, the pair is in downtrend for last couple of weeks, getting resistance from the 50 moving average, and it gave us plenty of opportunities to make money in the market. Now let me show you. Okay, yeah, this was the chart, or this is the chart. Okay, because these were the points where we got good opportunities to make money or short the market. Okay, but right now you can see that the same market is trading above the 50 moving average. So it was 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average was the resistance for the market. Okay, but now the same 50 moving average is acting as a support for the market, which means that the resistance has become the support now. And this thing happened because of this. I have already discussed in my previous videos that in the weekly time frame or in the weekly chart, 50 moving average is acting as a support for the market. The market is testing the support of 50 moving average for the last 2 weeks or last 3 weeks, you can say that, because you can see that this is the present candle. This green candle is the present candle of this week, and market has been testing 50 moving average as a support for the last 2 weeks, and every time it provided the required support. As a result, market is trading above the 50 MA as is a valid support in the weekly time frame. Therefore, this thing has happened. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? You have got the overall picture right now. As you can see, when market moved up, okay, market moved up. Uh, so you can see that I have drawn two lines here right now. Okay, so if I keep aside this part, okay, if I keep aside this part, and if I just concentrate on this part only, okay, the chart from 24th March to 5th April only, you can see that right now market is in a range. Okay, market is stuck in a range, kind of a range right now. Okay, so if you want to take a safe trade, and suppose you are a beginner, you do not know how to trade well, okay, and you do not want to risk any money, you cannot afford to take any risk, then your best place to trade will be either at this level or at this level, because right now this is the resistance for the market and this is the support for the market. Okay, apart from this, I'll be discussing another strategy also if you want to take this. Okay, so listen to me carefully. So if you're a beginner and if you cannot afford to take any risk right now, okay, so let the market go up. Okay, listen to me carefully, let the market go up from here. Okay, when market will be going up, just observe the price when it will reach this line or this level. Okay, when market will reach this level, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling, price is about to come down, you can short the market. You can short the market, but do remember, if you short the market here, then there are many obstacles for the market. Okay, therefore, and market will be getting many supports. As a result, if you short the market right here, then your 50 moving average, okay, 50 moving average may act as a support. Okay, therefore exit by 50 moving average. This is your exit and this will be your entry. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, let's say market crosses this level, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price again. Just see how the price is doing. Just try to understand the market psychology here. If you see that price is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, it is doing great above the level, then it will be a indication to us or signal to us that yes, the resistance has become the support now. As a result, you can go for a buy above this level also. But do remember, confirmation is important. Understand, try to understand the market psychology. Okay, then only go for buying order above this line. Let the resistance become the support. Okay, so you can do that. Secondly, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down, then observe the price at this level. At this level, if you see that price is bouncing from here, the price is about to reverse from here, okay, then you can go for a buy above this level. But remember again, confirmation is important. Do not gamble your money. Confirmation can be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, price is about to bounce from here, you can enter here. Okay, so if you want, see, the main thing is that if you want to play safe, if you want to play defensive, okay, to be very honest, I also do not go very much aggressive. I prefer to play safe. Okay, so therefore I trade from level to level. If you want to become a safe trader, if you want to trade safe, then you should also learn to trade from level to level. Okay, so so this is the strategy that you can follow if you are a beginner and if you want to trade safe. Okay, and if you want to take some risk right now, then this is the ideal position for you to buy right here. Now, right now market is also in a good position to buy right now if you want to take some risk. Okay, because see, 50 moving average right now, the same 50 moving average which was providing resistance to the market is acting as a support to the market. So resistance has become the support now, and you can see that price is above trying to bounce from here, and market is seeing price rejection from below. So this is a good place to buy if you want to take some risk. Otherwise, these two are the best and safest position to enter. Okay, you can also enter here because apart from the support from the 50 moving average, market is making higher lows. Therefore, it's up to you. You can go safe, or if you want, then you can take risk. If you enter here, okay, this will be your first target. Okay, remember, this will be your first target, because once price will reach this level, price may stumble a little bit, it may struggle a little bit. You can come up or you may be on the trade. It's up to you. So this is the analysis and strategy that you can follow for AUDCAD for 8 April 2021. Hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.